Have you received a grant under the CARES Act and are now wondering, do I have to pay taxes on this? You're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about whether CARES Act grants count as taxable income and how it could affect your next tax return. Let's get started. What is the CARES Act? U.S. Capitol Building, Pandemic Timeline Animation. The CARES Act, or Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, was passed in March 2020 to provide emergency assistance during the COVID-19 pandemic. It included a range of programs like stimulus checks, unemployment benefits, and small business support grants, such as the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, EIDL, advances and the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. Are stimulus checks taxable? Stimulus check flying into a mailbox. First, let's get this out of the way. Stimulus checks are not taxable. These were considered a tax credit in advance, so you do not have to report them as income on your federal tax return. Section 3. Are CARES Act grants for small businesses taxable? Laptop with EIDL grant $10,000 and PPP loan forgiven. Now, if you're a small business owner or self-employed, you may have received a grant under the CARES Act, like the EIDL Advance or PPP loan. Here's the key difference. PPP loans, if fully forgiven, they are not taxable at the federal level, and expenses paid with PPP funds are tax-deductible. EIDL grants, advances, these are taxable as gross income and must be reported when you file your business taxes. PPP Forgiven Loans, not taxable. EIDL grants, taxable. What about state taxes? Map of the U.S. highlighting states. While the IRS has made the federal tax status clear, state taxes may differ. Some states treat forgiven loans or grants differently. Always check with your state's Department of Revenue or a local tax professional to see how these funds are treated in your area. Reporting and documentation. Tax forms, calculator, receipts. Whether your CARES Act grant is taxable or not, it's crucial to keep detailed records. If you received a 1099-G or 1099-MISC form from the SBA or other agency, include it in your tax return. Keep a record of how funds were used in case of future audits or compliance checks. Final tips. Tax tip. Always consult a licensed tax professional. Here's the bottom line. Not all CARES Act funds are treated the same. Stimulus checks? Not taxable. EIDL grants? Taxable. PPP Forgiven Loans? Not taxable. When in doubt, talk to a tax advisor to make sure you're compliant and not leaving money on the table. Please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching and visit our website getgovgrants.com. Stay informed, stay empowered.